Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect, and this is the first look at the OnePlus 7T. This comes with a triple camera setup at the back. As you can see, physically it looks quite similar in terms of size and form factor to the OnePlus 7. It still has a dot notch display and a camera here up top on the front. The power key is on the right hand side with the slider here, and on the other side you have the volume rocker. On the bottom you get the speaker, charging port, as well as the SIM card tray, primary microphone hole, and on top is the secondary microphone hole, some antenna bands, and this is the triple camera setup. Let me show you some picture taking capabilities here. So it has three modes. This is the optical zoom, which is 2x, and this is the wide, and this is the normal shot. And let me also show you the selfie camera here. So quite familiar in terms of quality to the OnePlus 7. It comes with a newer processor with minimum 8 gigs of RAM now. In fact, only 8 gigs RAM, and the storage options are 128 and 256. What are your thoughts? Do let us know in the comment section. This is all we have on our quick first hands-on overview of the OnePlus 7T. Thanks for watching.